Mecklenburg County Sheriff Garry McFadden is under fire and facing a suit as permit seekers face a big backlog. They're accusing the sheriff of failing to meet deadlines. WCNC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner learned some state lawmakers are seeking a controversial solution to the problem.
As this lawsuit makes its way through this courthouse, state lawmakers are debating a controversial change to the permit process. As handguns fly off the shelves, Hyatt Guns owner Larry Hyatt says those handguns aren't ending up in people's hands. Instead, they end up in a different shelf inside one of these vaults, each waiting on its owner to get their pistol purchase permit.
It is frustrating. It's frustrating for everybody. I mean, if you order a car, it might take you 4 or 5 months right now. But, you know, we know the people downtown are trying hard. We hope the county will give them the funds.
Mecklenburg County Sheriff Garry McFadden says his staff of 6 to 8 are struggling to keep up with the surge in gun sales. State law requires the sheriff's office to approve or deny a pistol purchase permit in 14 days. The sheriff's office says it's still processing permits from mid-March. Today, gun owners and groups, including Grassroots North Carolina President Paul Vallone, are suing the sheriff to force him to speed up the process.
Regardless of what he claims about resources, the statute says the sheriff shall issue a pistol purchase permit in 14 days. It doesn't say unless he's too busy.
Vallone's also advocating in Raleigh for House Bill 398, which would get rid of the state's pistol purchase permit. It passed the House and will be heard by the Senate next week. Becky Sherstas of North Carolinians Against Gun Violence says eliminating the permit would create a dangerous loophole.
If you are a domestic violence abuser, a minor, somebody experiencing a mental health crisis, you can go to a gun show or online and buy a gun, no questions asked.
HB 398 supporters argue the pistol purchase permit is outdated and unreliable. Sheriff McFadden declined an on-camera interview about the lawsuit, but in a statement he says he's been forthcoming and transparent about their struggles. In Uptown, Brandon Goldner, WCNC Charlotte.